Welcome back, guys, to another video. This time, playing a game called MegaMan X. I mean, number 6. Like the original. Yeah. So, this video we're playing MegaMan 6 on mobile. And yeah, I used to play this game all the time. Later on, like back then, I played this game on my phone back a couple times. I got through it like a lot. Yeah. Like as you can see, we'll go to normal mode. Continue. I've done a lot. Blizzard Man, Wind, Flame, Tomahawk, and Plant. I did those about 4. Very good. I got to Mr. X, and yeah. And that's how far I got so far. I had this game on my phone for about 2 months. Something like that. Can't really remember, but yeah. This video we are gonna be beating Blizzard Man. And next video I might do Wind, and that next video after that, Flame. You know the drill. Like, I'm just gonna do all these, and then like all Mr. X. But I'm only gonna probably do the last 2 Mr. X, because I don't know if you can go back in Mr. X. So, yeah. Let's go ahead and get into it. Blizzard Man. Heck yeah. Blizzard Man, Master of Snow. It's a little quiet. Alright, there we go. Hope y'all can hear me. Alright. Oh, dang. Now, how you get up there? When I first played this game, I never knew how to get up there. But it's actually when you go to Jet, you can actually get it. I'm not really sure if that's how you really get it, but like, it's the easiest way. I really love Jet. I love the towel. It's really cool. I don't know how to get through that. That's confusing. You cannot punch. Dang it. Come here, boy. Crap. You pushed me. The guy pushed me off the edge. Yep. Let's start all over. Alright. Let's go. There we go. Gotta go across these bombs. Like that. Whoa, forgot about that. Ooh, dead. I don't really need it. Please be careful. Okay. Oh, there we go. Whoa. That was a close one. Oh yeah, that's when you're just like going in. Like yeah. Dang it. Come here, boy. Alright. There we go. You got him. Okay, now these guys, you gotta like go behind them, because if you shoot them in front, it's just gonna bounce it off. Now, sometimes you don't even have to shoot them behind. You can hit them like full power. So just like, sometimes it works, sometimes it don't. You just gotta like very precise at it. But yeah. Whoa, that was a very close one. Oh wait, they drop. They drop. I did not know that. Wow. I was thinking of Mario. What? How? There we go. Oh my gosh. Why is there a lot of these? There's a lot of them. They're just gonna be ended up killing me. There we go. Destroyed them. Here we go. Alright, let's go down here. I used to play this game all the time with my dad. Me and him used to play it all the time. I used to play this game all the freaking time. I used to play it on one of those old Nintendos though. Oh my god, oh my gosh. Oh, full life, let's go. Alright, you gotta wait. Now, to get through there, you gotta be like, Pal Man, I think. To get that E. You gotta be careful on those bombs, because they blow up like 3 seconds. I love this part, it's like a puzzle thing, or whatever. There we go. I actually kinda like that part. Reset up really good. No, what? It pushed me back down. I think that reloads it. Right? Yeah. That does reload it. No, don't. No. Come here, come here. I want to see you for a sec. There we go. That guy about destroyed me. Alright. Oh my god, no! Yeah, I remember that. When I was younger, I used to play that part. I used to get very aggravated with it. Dang, I remember that. So basically what you do on this part, it's kind of like a puzzle. So basically you just step on that one, then you go over to this, and you gotta hit that one, like after. You gotta do all this perfect, or you're not gonna get it right. So basically what you do is this. And then when you're stepping on this one, you gotta jump in the air while it's at 0. Or you're gonna maybe explode. Anyways, yeah, we're about to the boss. Here we go. The big boss. Alrighty. It's the time to shine. Oh, here we go. Oh, that was close. Whoa! What's down, boy? No! No, 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 no! Whoa! I can use that power up too, boy. What? Oh my gosh! What? No way! I could take a lot of damage from you. From the other bosses I defeated. I defeated like a lot of bosses. No. Oh my gosh. Tornado, boy. Wow, bounces back. No, I was so close. I was so close. Wow. Hey, I like how mobile has like a limited lives. It's kind of silly. Cause in a normal game you don't. I don't think you have a limited. Doesn't sound right. Alright, this time we're just gonna beat him with regular MegaMan. Yeah. Let's go. You thought you could beat me with snow. No. Oh my gosh. No. Did I just really die from that? gone, dude. There we go. Alright, we beat Blizzard Man. I'm gonna do more videos like this. Yeah. Like I said, I did a little bit of Mr. X. I don't know if you can rewind Mr. X, though. Hang on, I'm gonna try that. Oh, you can! That's perfect. I love that. But I can only rewind 2 back. Can't go all the way to the beginning. Okay, that's pretty cool. I like that. So basically, you just rewind back. Yeah. I did not know that. So, I'm gonna probably do that for my videos. And next, MegaMan video I'm gonna do is beat Windman, Flame Man, and Plant Man, and all in one video. Then the next video after that, I'm gonna do Tomahawk. Then, next video after that, I might do a very long video, like I did last time with Assassin's Creed. Doing a 33-minute video with long fights and stuff. Sorry about that. That wasn't really full screen, but yeah. Hope y'all guys enjoy. Next time. Yeah. Next video I'm about to do right now is a game called Rayman Origins. Especially if you're this guy that runs around. He doesn't have arms or legs. He only has a body and hands and feet. You can punch, kick, fly, glide, do whatever. It's a pretty cool game. I used to play it all the time with my stepbrothers. Anyways, yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed. Peace out.